Hi, can I have a medium French vanilla swirl iced coffee?
Okay.
With cream and extra sugar?
Cream and extra sugar, anything else?
And that's it.
$2.85.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
Alrighty, here you go.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Many months later.
Hey guys, what's up? I don't even know what to say. It's been so long. So I am just out. I got some Dunkin' and see, I can't vlog and drive. I got Dunkin' and now I'm on my way to Target because I have to get some things for animals or just spit cleaning and just, yeah, I don't want it to be long because of everything going on, and I know I shouldn't be out. I should be social distancing myself, but sometimes you just gotta get what you need and get out. That's what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna be going home. My bed is already in the wash, so that's getting cleaned, and then I want to clean my room, and I do want to change my wardrobe around from winter to spring, but that might be a different day. I haven't vlogged or filmed a video in so long, but with this coronavirus thing, I know no one wants to hear about it because everyone's talking about it and it's just a mess, but I hope everyone else out there is healthy and doing well, and if you're not, I hope you can pull through, and I'm praying for you. But yeah, with the coronavirus going around, I am out of work for like 2 months, so I can finally put some time into videos and do videos again and see where it takes me. I'm just doing it for fun, and yeah, so I'm on my way to Target now, and hopefully I can find what I want, because last time I was in the store there was like nothing at all, and it's so frustrating. But yeah, then I'm gonna go home, clean up, maybe make some TikToks. I don't know. I am so bored at home. I might go insane in 2 months. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Oh, I'm gonna touch it.
Rest. I do 10 on top my teeth.
So I wipe my hand with a Clorox wipe before I touch my camera, don't worry. I don't touch anything when I go into the store right now. I didn't bring my drink in. I didn't touch my phone when I was in the store, just in case. I didn't even get a shopping cart. And then I come in and I wipe with a wipe thing. Dunkin' break. Oh, I don't even touch my face until I use a wipe. By the way, my coffee order, in case anyone wants to get me some coffee anytime, that would be great. It's French vanilla swirl iced coffee with cream and extra sugar. It's gonna sound really weird when I suck on the straw and then like sugar comes through and I'm like, sweetness. Alright, now I'm gonna go home, do who knows what, probably clean, and then I don't know. So yeah.
Pretty freeze. Make them bitches follow me. I swear. Rat part.
So to clean my room, I'm just gonna use the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day multi-service stuff in the rose scent. It smells amazing. I'm just gonna clean like the countertops and my counters and dresser with this. My bed's in the dryer. And yeah, I think I might just tackle the closet another day. So